So I want to show you how to do a KSK or a knit slip knit and SKS, which is a slip knit slip. So let's get into it. So for KSK, we're going to knit, bring that yarn to the front, slip one, and then knit one. And then I'm just knit a couple of stitches, and then let's do another KSK. So we're going to knit one, bring the yarn to the front, slip one, yarn to the back, knit one. That makes a really nice little I-cord edge, and you can start to see those nice little V stitches that run along the edge. All right, let's get into SKS, or slip knit slip. So with the yarn in front, we're going to slip one, then we're going to knit one. Bring that yarn back to the front, slip one. Just going to knit a couple of stitches, and now we're going to bring yarn in front, slip one, take the yarn to the back, knit one, bring the yarn to the front, slip one. And that is it. That is a KSK and a slip knit slip. Hope that helps.